Look, I'm just gonna keep you for one day, snakes. Don't you dare ever do that to those little two birds, whatever they're called. Birds? Yeah, I think birds. But don't ever do that, because I'm gonna call 911 on you, because you're being rude, and that's animal abuse. So, I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. Don't you ever do that again. Then I'm gonna call 911 and tell them that that's animal abuse. Okay. Don't ever hit that too. Got it? Got it. Be ashamed of yourself. Bye, snakes. I see you tomorrow. Hold on, Grandpa. I'm gonna fight this boy. Challenge up. Peace up. Oh, no, you don't. Never do that. Go in the next episode. Bye.